Subscribe to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment. Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends, in the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 14,823 with a decent weekly gain of 192 points, or in terms of percentage it was an up move of 1.31%. Now here are the few observations for the current week. The broader indices has formed an inside weak candle pattern on weekly charts which indicates a sideways characteristics of the market. Regarding technical perspective, the broader indices was able to give a close above its short-term as well as medium-term moving averages, which indicates a bullish undertone in the market. Regarding the momentum indicator, most of the momentum indicators have sustained above the mark of 50 for the entire week, which shows that the short-term trend is favoring bulls in the market. Talking about support and resistance level, important support level for the market is placed at 14,416, which is the current week low, and below that at 14,000. On the higher side, major supply is placed at 15,051, which is the 8-week high of the market, and above that at 15,431, which is the all-time high. Now for the next week, what could be the probable strategy specifically for short-term as well as positional traders? Traders should go long with a strict stop loss placing at 14,416, which is the current week low, for their all existing long position or fresh new positions created in the next week. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Granules Limited. One can buy at current market price or on slightly dip around 345 with a stop loss placing at 330 for an upside potential of 380. Another stocks which seems to be quite strong from a technical perspective is Bharat Electronics Limited, or BEL Limited. One can go long with a stop loss placing at 128. Long position can be created at 136, 137 zone, and upside target is 154. So that's it for the current week. Meet you on next Friday. Thank you very much for joining us.